Updating your vocabulary with Kaz.
Hello and welcome to the Tricultural Universe. I'm your coach, Kaz. Recently, I've been making a series of videos of words in the AWL and their origins. This is a list of 5,700 semantic fields we frequently encounter in a broad range of academic texts. In this video, I'd like to do something a little bit different and introduce a different kind of word that we commonly use in English, French, and Japanese. We'll check its pronunciation, etymology, and finally, we'll take a look at some words with the same prefix and suffix. And today's word is not cookie, but biscuit. But we are talking about the same thing. A cookie is a biscuit.
How do you pronounce this word?
In American English, it's biscuit. In French, it's biscuit. And finally, in Japanese, it's bischetto.
Oh, it's quite different in each language.
Indeed.
Why is it spelled this way?
Let me explain. Biscuit is made of two parts. The prefix bis comes from Latin, which means twice or two, and cuit is French, but it also comes from Latin, which means to cook. So biscuit literally means to cook twice or to bake twice. It is said that they were named this way because originally biscuits were cooked in a twofold process. Let's now take a look at other words that start with the same prefix. We have the words binary, biceps, bicycle, biweekly, and bilingual. Binary is when you have two things, like a binary code, zeros and ones. Biceps are the muscles in your arms. There are two muscles there. You have two wheels in a bicycle, so that's two cycles. With biweekly, you have to be a little careful because it could mean twice a week or every other week. And finally, being a bilingual person means that you speak two languages. Now let's go over to the suffix cuit and see other words that are related to it. First, we have the word cuisine, or in French cuisine, and the word culinary. We also have Italian words terracotta and ricotta. If you hear the word culinary, it means something that has to do with cooking, and in English, cuisine is a style or method of cooking. But in French, cuisine is also a kitchen. Terracotta is fired clay. We usually make flower pots with it. And ricotta is Italian cheese, which means recooked. Talking about cuisine made me a little bit hungry. Now you know the real meaning of this word.
It was very informative.
Let's wrap up today's video. As we demonstrated, you can learn a lot from just one common word you're already very familiar with. Not only did we learn the prefix and suffix of the word biscuit, we saw many words that start with the same prefix, such as bicycle and bilingual, and we saw other words coming from the suffix, such as cuisine and culinary. We also learned something about how biscuits were originally made. And by the way, in French cuisine, cuit can mean cooked, baked, done, stewed, or burned. So if you say une baguette bien cuite, s'il vous plaît, at a French bakery, it means a well-baked baguette, please. It's apparently healthier because it's very crunchy. And if you see the word mi-cuit on a menu in a French restaurant, that means it's half-cooked. Un mi-cuit au chocolat is also called a chocolate lava cake in English. It's molten inside.
Chocolate lava cake is not just undercooked chocolate cake. That's not what makes the center molten. You take a frozen cylinder of ganache and you set it in the ramekin so that as the outside cooks fully, the inside becomes molten.
Right, so as the chef said, a lava cake is not undercooked. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share, and comment. Also, please consider subscribing to this channel for more content like this one, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. That's it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye! Salut! ではまた!